introduction, in this video we're going to talk about Laos government strategies to solve the problem of climate change. Laos, or Lao PDR, is a landlocked, least developed country sitting in the heart of mainland Southeast Asia, sharing a border with Cambodia, Thailand, Myanmar, Vietnam, and China, which is one of the world's most diverse and fastest growing regions. Laos has a total land area of 236,800 square kilometers, and about 70% of the country is mountainous. Laos has a tropical climate influenced by monsoon wind from the southwest, bringing high rainfall and humidity. The climate is divided into two main seasons: the rainy season, May to September, and the dry season, October to April. The average annual rainfall is 1,900 millimeters, but about 80% falls in the rainy season. Temperature vary between the north and south. Northern regions average 20 Celsius, while southern regions average 25 Celsius to 27 Celsius.
The action and mitigation goals implemented by Laos in the context of air pollution are through the National Pollution Control Strategy and Action Plan (NPCSAP), which provides overall guidance for the integration of pollution prevention and control measures in all development efforts, policies, and procedures. The short-term implementation plan is expected to contribute to achieving the 5-year National Socio-Economic Development Plan 2018 until 2020 from a pollution control perspective. Among the activities carried out in the short term are to provide guidelines to pollution prevention and control monitoring for the implementation of annual. The medium-term implementation plan for the period 2020 to 2025 is expected to contribute achieving the pollution control objective from a pollution prevention perspective. Among the activities are monitoring, evaluating the state of the pollution issues in the implementation of sector development strategies. The long-term implementation plan for the period 2025 until 2030 is expected, making Laos PDR clean and beautiful. Long-term implementation plans should be redrafted in a manner consistent with the government's periodic plans. Such consistency should be coordinated at the time of the government's periodic planning.
For land pollution, mitigation priorities will include the following. First, stop/and burn agriculture by forest management, afforestation of degraded forests, and reforestation to increase the forest cover to 65% by 2015 and 75% by 2020. Enhance carbon sink by making sustainable agriculture land available and encouraging alternative livelihood opportunities such as ecotourism, non-timber forest products, and handicraft. Second, reducing off-site burning by providing alternative fuels for forest-dependent communities such as biogas, mild hydro, energy-saving stoves, use of harvest residues, and community-based fuel wood plantations. Third, reducing forest fires by setting regulations and necessary measures to intercept and stop forest fire. For integrating forest management, including forest food production system, use an NTFP, it is non-timber forest products, and community-based forest management. Fifth, effectively mapping and planning the land use for different purposes over medium and long terms to minimize the use of land encroachment into the national protected area. And six, pursuing carbon market opportunities and early introduction of pragmatic, flexible mechanism, particularly the RE.
In conclusion, in line with the objectives of the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, the Paris Agreement, and national socio-economic development policies, Laos has implemented and improved its capacity to respond to climate change, where the key actions include improving response readiness as well as developing policies and improving organization, networks, cooperation, human resources, education and awareness, research and information, and financial mechanism. Importantly, Laos has implemented climate change adaptation and mitigation programs and projects in key sectors at both national and local levels.